Hello guys, welcome to the stream. Good morning traders. You can see the new captured the new all-time high trades. That's the 250 pips trade. I am waiting for this, and that's why I'll actually entry for this. But it will be moved to 400 pips on this level, and but I am not entry over this candle because that's a big swing here, so I am not entries here. I'll entry with the second confirmation. That's the first confirmation. The second confirmation, I will go for that. That's pullback. I will entry on this area, and I will be. That's the first choke on. You can see this first. That's the first choke. Uh, You can see this. That's the first choke, and that's the second choke. Is that so? Price was pullback on this area, and I will be go for this area. Okay. So that's a simple trade. You will be giving the 250 pips plus. So I'm waiting for this trade. I'm waiting for this A plus buying area. That's the first confirmation is that, and that is the pure refining area. So I am waiting for this zone. How many rigs over this zone? Let's check this first. It's not a big risk zone. Let's see this. Okay. Welcome guys. Welcome to the stream. Where are you from watching guys? But one thing I'll say one thing here. Why it's not showing this? So guys, you can see this. That's the price first chose on this area. That's the first choice. That's the first choice. The price was breakout and price was pullback was the increase and price was go from there. So that's my second confirmation choice. So price was breaking this area, so I have retested on this area. I am entries for that, and that's my target level. Okay, that's the simple trade for the London session, guys. With the I think that's the 100 k straight zone. It's the good for London session. So that's the trade plan for that time. So I'm waiting for the confirmation. That's the first choice will be here, so I'll remove it. The because I clear the chart I am always loving. Okay, that's the good breakout was come from there. Okay, that's I want at this time. Very good. You can see this the level. You risk with this candle. Also the small risk above this one. That's the risk we also here. That's the move 80 pips from this level. Good rejection. So I think our entry the choice is not sustained here. The 5 minute candle close up first. Okay. So let's take a 250 pips risk, 25 pips risk first taken last. Okay. Take the risk and set the RR. Okay. That's a good breakout has come from there. So everyone entry over this zone. Please everyone entry on this. You can see that's the rejection candle. It's okay. The 5 minute candle closing is very important at that time, but that change of character was not sustained. I'm also not adding my quantity, so I will be wait for that. But it will be going with that. So I think that's the hit my SL. I think. Let's see. That's the rejection from this the top. But I'll adding some quantity. Who will be not entering your quantity? You will be initiate some quantity here because that your risk only will go with this. So that is your risk only the 25 is on this candle low. So you will be going with that. But one thing will be here. That's not the perfect choice over this one because the you can see this that the two candle was not sustained above this the trend line. That's the clear rejection from the upper side. So that the seller will be active. Some market will be fall down from here. Okay, that's some risky trade area. You trade like a very smart here, but I am told you. So just entry is the most important. That's the hit my SL, no issues. I will be excited my SL on this area. Okay, there will be some over entry over this zone because risks. I don't take my risks, so I don't trade it. But that's the trade was sustained, so I will be going with that. Okay, I am entering on this zone. What the hell? Just adding the quantity here, and that is my 25 pips risk. Okay, I'll take only 25 pips risk. Either this candle low is my risk. Okay, 30 pips risk. And my target is the 100 pips, so it is also 1 is to 3 trade. And let's see how the price will be. What's my entry level? Just check first. Okay, guys. 85 I'll be entry. 85.4417. So that is my original entry level. Okay, this is my entry level. So I will be with the 30 pips risk is the candle low. So it is the 25 pips risk on this zone. So that is the same level I will be entry. So let's see it will be hit my seller either that's the my selling a plus selling level. So it, the price will be come here or what? Let's see. But my first target is that the 100 pips. Okay, just hold for this. Who watching guys? So I'll be in on this trade. Okay. So guys, that one problem with this versus things you understand that that's the bad rejection from this the area. This rejection is the very bad for that. it is not sustained about this, and that's the zone. It will be respect, so it will be reversed from there. Either it will be fall from here, so it will be considered the 25 pips risk. Okay, it will be considered the 25 pips risk. Okay, so I'll be wait for that, and that's the support and the A plus 1 minute A plus buying area. So it will be reversed from here, either it will be fall from here. Okay, because that's the buyer's liquidity sweep for the that's the falling will be calm, and because that's the lower side, this zone will be here, so price will be calm up to this area, and it will be reversed from here. So that's my first trade plan. It will be fail. It will be no okay, and that's my second plan. So I will be wait for that because I will be risk today because today tomorrow I will get the 25 pips on this trade, so I will be risk only 25 pips at this time. Okay, that's the simple trade plan for the London session. Just watch the market. I am entry. Nothing to do anything right now. Okay, so I will be waiting for the trades. And I think that's the support area. It will be respected by the market, please. That's the first choice area. So I will be that is now the support for the market right now. Okay, this level. You will understand that fast. It will be respected by market, so it will be okay. Either it will be fall from here. I want the price was goes from here. Hey, BTC. That's the 45 is risk. 40 pips is about this. 25 pips risk is that good. 30 pips you can risk taken because that's the APGs here. So market will be fall from here. How many? That is the not 1 is to 3 trade. So that's some trailing this for this upside. So that is the considered the 1 is to 3. Okay. So that is the 1 is to 3. And what is your bias for today, guys? Told me. Okay, I'll analyze the Euro USD. Okay, that's a BG zone. Euro USD. So you can see this, brother. That's the Forex 11222. You can see this. It's now the why we go with the 1 hour. So that's a good for that. So you can see this. The price has at this now the one good A plus level. You can see this. You will see this. That's a good A plus zone. Price will be good spiking from here. You can see this. That's the 1 hour level is the good. Price will tap. So it will be 15-minute what will be. So it's a good indication. So you will be entering your level, enter your trade. So your like will be for it's the how many pips will be come from the risk. That's the 60, 70 pips, I think. 60 pips will be less. That's a 60 pips level, okay? So your RR like this types. The price at now this level. So you can go with the 10 pips risk and your target level is that 1 is to 5 is trade. You can get the 50 pips, bro. That's a 1 hour A plus buying area. That's the 1 hour A plus buying area, and that's your buying in zone, and that's your TP area, and that's the 1 hour area. So you will be trading with this because price will be tap and go first, and the liquidity sweep also here. So the sharp move will become from here. It's acceptation. So it's the safe for the Euro USD trade. I will set this error for you. What's my gold trade? I think gold was down. So it's the considering the 25 pips risks will be done. Okay. So the first trade is the losing to our side. I am worried about it. Why, guys? Because that's the not sustain this price. So I am worried about this. The 5 minute candle was not sustained above this area. And sell level price will become again. And I think this is level was already 2 time playing. Okay. So that was a gap on this the price in the 5 minutes. I think price will try to fill this gap also. So I'll remove this everything that will already playing. So I'll remove them. But that's the gap was now pending on this time. So price was trying to fill this gap and price will be go from here. That's my expectation. And that is you can see this that's the 1 minute buying zone also. You can set your fib also here. So you'll check the price action. You can see this. That's the gold price is now at the golden zone at this. So you can going with this. That's the teacher one buying areas for that I am waiting. The price was goes from there. Okay, that's the last zone. Price will be respect. I think that's the 1 minute A plus zone, and that's the fifth golden area. So if the reversal will be come from here, either price will be come up to this zone. That's the last area. Okay, I think that's the trap. The two buyers also here. So that the price momentum will be come from here because you can see the first break of structure and that's the retested level and the 1 minute A plus level, and the price will be go from there also. So you can see this. That's the price was come and create a good buying candle. So definitely I'll go. Okay, so stay with me and just going the setup line. Just for 1 minute, I will turn off the lens. Okay, just for 1 minute. Let's see why the market will be do here. Just check you. So guys, you can see this. The price was come to our level It will be create a 1 minute green candle, so I will be go for the one another risk with the small, the 10 to 15 pips sticks, and it will be respect, so I will be accept, and then I will consider the trade. Okay. I think that's the 15 minute risk, okay, at this time. And that's the 35 pips risk also the considered. So that's the price was going down. So it is considered the 15 pips. It's okay. I will be accepted. And that's my last buying area. So I'll wait for that. So that's the 30 pips and that's the 15 pips. That's a more than 45 pips lose on a day. So let's see this. This is the 1 minute A plus buying level. I want the price was goes from here, but it's not respected at this time. So it will be goes on. Okay. I will be lose. That will be fall from here. You will see this. It goes over this. I will be exit from this trade. Here I am not out, but on my broker account it will be out. The 1 hour candle closing in the last 3 minutes. Gold is it's exit my trades and it will be goes from here. How you told about this motherfucker? Exit my position and goes from there. Good. You can see. Okay, let's see the 1 hour candle closing first. And see that's the now good move. The price was good move. I think that's the FBG's work will put the market come and it will be go from here. That's the 1 minute A plus buying area. It will be first choice above this area. So who can adjust your trade? So that is your break-even area now. Then that's the first choice about this area also. But 1 hour candle open. That's the 31. That's the good risky trade. That's now the 30 pips. So this lose will be uh this loss will be recovered from this time. That's the 30 pips zone. So this is the 30 pips and price is now good moving. So it will be risk free now. You tight your ASL. You can go with the 15 pips result. That's not big risk. Okay. That's the risk free trade right now. So that's the 35 pips you lose. So that's the price was giving this also. This is now risk free, so 30 pips will be done. It's all become for the 1 hour candle closing. 1 second. So it's come downside first. We got candle print guys. That's a church candle. The 1 hour candle is open, so it's creating the bottom wick first, and it will be go for the top wick. It's all good for this trade. Okay. Come on, price. That's trap the sellers, and you can press selling from this upside. And that's the psychological number also for the selling. Come on. That's the 1 hour candle is open. Good breaking this zone. That's exactly 37 pips. Come on, guys. Come on, gold. Let's trap the sellers. This trap the sellers. The liquidity grab. You can go from here. And that's the buyer also liquidity grab. So you will be fall up to this area and it will be fresh. Momentum will be come from here. That's my expectation for the gold right now. So that's why I'm scalping in buying side right now. The market trend is the downtrend, but I will be going with the two times because that's the trend. The price was good moving at this time. You can see this also. The price was moving good. Come on, gold. Good breakout. Come on, that's build that PG and that's the trap the sellers. Good, good. Come on, price. Go more. Come on, price, go more. That's the trade, guys. You can see this. That's the 60 pips from this tower entry area. That's the 60 pips, 62 pips. I will be considered 60 pips. Okay. That's the 60 pips zone. So that's the 60 pips area. Okay. 60 pips. You can XP your trade here. Good, good, gold. Come on, push more. Price is good, move, good moving. How the gold will be moved from here. You can see this, guys. So that's the trap the sellers and that's the TP first. That's the how the price will be moved from here. That's the institutional buying, guys. That's the level, accuracy level. That's the 80 pips on this, the same on. That's the 80 pips. Oh, you can see this. No system, guys. No system. You can just check the analysis. So you will be understand how the price will be react from our level, my level. I will mark. It's okay. It's the 25, 30 pips risk and price will giving you more than the 95 pips on this, the same on level. That's the trap the sellers. You will be booking the 80% on this zone. The 90 pips trade, guys. Why you more expectation from this side, huh? That's a good profits. Good profits move on. The price is not bullish. That's the 80 pips area. So that's the sweep this liquidity. You'll check on the how the market will react from my level. That's the 30 pips in your face, guys. That's the move more than from this area is the 90 pips. That's the 90 pips area. You can see the trade. I'll just 15 pips risk. And then first the 30 pips risk, that's my 30 pips special also I will hit the first trade. And that's the price will be goes from the level. That's 1 minute which is golden zone. That's the institutional buying like this. That's the continuously buying for the upside. I have waited for this the buy, this type of buying. The 1 hour candle open and it will be go for the top week. I want this come on this area, this 1 hour candle for our good entries. Either this level also come 4594. It will be a come. Sorry guys for my just hold your trade. You can say this the price was reacting on this area. If the sellers, every sellers will be tapped here, you will understand. I'm told about the liquidity. Liquidity is the king in the market. Okay, you can see this. That's the sellers SLs here. Every seller SL here. You can understand that. That's the every seller's SLs here. So market will pump. So out the seller, and it will become more than this area and get my TP, and it will be fall from here up to the lower side of our zone, and it will be pull back from here because that's the buyers also the inserted here, and so market will be wipe the buyers also. So market will not the trap only sellers. Okay, that's the both. It's love the liquidity. Okay, everyone. That's the market will be playing. It's not emotions. That's the pure price action. And that's called, if what you told about, that's the sniper entries or not? You told me that's the sniper entries or not? Definitely that's the sniper entry called. And this type of levels will be playing. So you will be interested on this. And it will be 90 pips on this. And how the price will be do? It's more, it's the choke in the higher time frame also, 5 minute also choke. So it's come on this area, and that's the gap of the selling area. You can selling here, so that's your selling zone. So I think that's my 90% will 80% book here, and I am trading stop loss for this the break even, set my break even the SL, and I am going with my target for this up to zone. Okay, that I'm go for the 230 pips trade. This is my level. I am going with this. Definitely price will be due for me. The 250 will definitely just go. And that's a good confirmation. You can see this. That's called sniper entries or not, guys. DM me. You can see this how the market will be goes. You can go with my final TP. The final TP is already given. You can see this. Given. The TP was given. The TP was given or not? Given the 100 pips. So let's 90% book here, and I will be trailing myself for the 250 pips. Okay. TP for the 250 pips. Okay, that's my target. And that's the first target will be on, so I will be going with this, and that's the why the 100 pips, that's the price move up to the 120 pips. Okay, that's the 120 pips. That's the 120 pips zone, guys. That's the trade. I want this reversal. Good. Trading your SL on the break even. Now the price will be move, and you will be 90% more than 80% book on your quantity here. 80% book your quantity here. 80% book here. Okay, it's okay. That's the sweep the sellers, and that's a more liquidity also here. So price will be retested this zone. It will be pulled back from here. So I will be wait for that. Hard the trade. You break even set out this zone. Okay. La. Price is currently now at the patience is that. Okay. That's the first choke. That's the 30 pips SL, and price will move the 120 pips. That's the 90 pips profit on same date. Don't trade like a null, guys. Trade like smart. Where are you from watching, guys? Please DM me. And that's not the more than that's not 230 right now. That's the many times after 45 minutes the remaining the closing the London sessions opening. So it's more good move will be more come from this. And that's the you can see that's the $1 block and the FBG. So I think the price will be more potential for the going upside, and it will be second change of character. You can see this third first, second, first, that's the breakup structure. First change of character, second change of character, third change of character is that. So I'll be remove this everything for the clear chart view. Okay, guys. The clear chart view is the most important. I will remove this. Hello guys. So you can see this, that's the profit booking level. So price will be drop from here. So you can hold your position. You can with the 20% lots. So you trailing for the TP for the 25 pips and done for that. And I will be sustainable to 2:30 p.m. So let's see the market what will be happened. Okay. Please go our community and please complete the 15 likes on this stream, guys. You told about the thing, the mic was off. I'm continuously told. That's a good trade for our price will be both these types. Please like the 15 likes complete on the stream. And which pair you trade, you told me? I definitely analysis. That's why the price was going down, that's a profit booking level. So that's why the price was the selling will be sold first. Okay. And gold, Bitcoin is it's playing this level. Pending level, I'll find more of Bitcoin. That's the selling A plus will be playing. So let's see on this level. It's the liquidity sweep on this the sellers first. Okay. It's the closing about this zone. That part is the Ethiopian. Okay, I will explain it. Please like complete the 15 likes, guys. Please, you have any information about our channel? Please complete the 15 likes. So let's let's talking about the explanation of the BTC trade. Okay. So that's the sellers was the active. That's the sellers SL also here. That's the seller SL and the price. That's the buyers SL also creating. That's the buyers was out and that's called the liquidity sweep. Liquidity sweep. So that is also creating the sellers also initiating the entries here because the retails will be thinking about that's the support resistance area. So market will be supporting at this time and market will be fall from here to the sweep this liquidity. But I am thinking that the market will be invited the buyers and the sellers also both. This level the market will invite the buyers and the sellers. The seller also will be inviting on this zone. So that's the SLs for the buyers and that's the sellers SL will be there. So market will be pumped on this. So it will be remove this first. So market will be pumped on this. That's the sweep the sellers liquidity. And I think fake breakout will be here. So that's the buyers will be inviting here. This zone will be buyers will be invited. The retail buyers will be add on the entries and it will be pumped from this type of trades. So I will be watch the market. It will be behaving like this. So I will be putting my selling entry again on this zone. Okay, I putting my selling entries on the same zone. So it will be good in candle print, but I'll be wait for first because that's the liquidity. So I want the market sweep this the seller's liquidity first. Then I should be go for the selling side entries. Understand? That's a simple price action. Was told about the Bitcoin. Let's another the USD trade also I am initiate my entries. I think how many pips it will be goes at some 1 hour level and it will be playing good. You can see this 15 5 minutes is the best for this. It's the regularity also called. So how many pips will be its course? That's the 7 pips will be. It's a very slow market. The gold was moving to 100 pips and it will be playing like the very slow. Anyone want the any other pairs? Analysis. So you told me I will analyze the other specs trade. Okay. GBP, GPY. I want why do I gold trade? I want the price at this trade. Because that's the 15-minute level. A plus. but price was rejected from this area. This sellers was very active on level. But you can see this, that's the psychological number of the for 600. So price will be sell from here is the accepted because price always respect the psychological number. So it not sell from here. I'm waiting for hold the TP, hold the SL for this the on this level. You can you're trading SL for the 4579. You're trading also shift on this break even, some up to this the break even areas, and you hold your you trail your TP for the 25 pips on this the 4603. That is your TP area, and you can see this. That's the move 140 pips. You can see this. That's more than 100 pips plus. That's why I'm told you hold the trade. Anyone any informative from our channel, so please subscribe and like this video and subscribe for your our same contents. I am live 2 times in a daily. That's the and I will be very consistent with my trading journey. So you will be join us into my Telegram community group and also the Instagram for followers. Okay. And what is your bias for today? Please vote. I'll start the poll. What do you think about gold was going for this area downside? What do you think gold down for this area? Gold going going down from this zone, or it's more firm about up to our A plus selling area. Now we'll start the poll. You can please voting so I will understand the how the market will be reacting here. Okay. So that's pump more and the dump from here. Okay, just start the poll. You can please vote us. The five currently watching on the stream, please voting for our more informations, please. I told about the price my think and my knowledge was told about the spam more from this zone. So let's told about your opinion. Let's move the I think on this area that 150 pips. You can see this price is now the 150 pips area. That's the 150 pips. You can told about that's the sniper entry or what? You told me guys. What the breakout? That's a 180 pips. You called about that the sniper entry, guys. Please spam it, spam it. That's the liquidity zone. That's the liquidity power, guys. That's the trap the seller also here. You called about that's the sniper entries or what? You can please told about. You can start the vote and poll. I can start the poll. You can vote here, and what is the opinion you can told here, and you can told me any other pairs. I will be definitely analysis the pairs videos. Okay, please complete the 15 likes on this stream, guys. Please for this respect, for this kind of trades respect. I give you this trade on your stream. I am this trade I'm giving in the live stream, guys, with your friends because that's the 30 pips I will be lose here first, and that's the trade will be goes on. That's the 180 pips will be giving, and that's my 250 pips TP trade, guys. And hold it. You can see the how the RR will be so, and you can go with the 1 is to 10 already given price. You can see this price was already given the 1 is to 12 trade. I am going. That is the 1 is to 10 area already completed 1 is to 10 trade. You can see this, and I am hold for the more than 115 pips areas trade. 1 is to 50 trade. You'll understand. That's called sniper entries, guys. That's not easily even continuously you can see that how beautiful buying will become from our this small A plus buying zone. Same reacted on the same level. And price will be reversed from here. For this respect, you can please like us and join us for our going community. You can subscribe this channel and please turn on the bell icon for your information for the regular basis. I will be daily 2 time come on the live stream. So please like this video for my respect. You will be some any kind of information, any kind of education, educate from our live stream. So please like and subscribe our channel, guys. No, everyone can give me this type of trades. I am not use any kind of indicator. I have used only the price action, and that's my psychology. I'm not indicator trader, bro. I'll be only use my price action trade. You price action trade, and you can told about the support resistance. You can also call about the supply demand. You call about, and you can learn the this strategy. So you can DM in this the video comment section. I will and you will join us on my Telegram community, and you can told me your opinion. I'll definitely told you the strategy. I will learn you, and I will educate you. Okay, who has this stream? I want the price was I want the our community was growing with the smaller peoples, not the big peoples. I was everything but free. I will just want your support. Okay, no one can giving you this type of trades. The big player will be only for giving you. That's the paid version will be giving this trade. Not on the common live stream and the properly told about the explanation like this. No one can. Just suggest levels and you can entry about the how to manage trade. No one can else. I will be your face and I will be calm and I will be analyzing the trade levels and I will be giving you the level and I'm 2 time I will be calm. You can see this. That's the real chart. That's the first session. That's the first SL I will be left. That's the 30 piece SL I will be done. And the price will be moved from here. So guys, that's the not the easy trade. Okay. Anyone can understand the strategy. So you will join us and I will thinking about the one seminar for you to learn the strategy with free of cost. You what the buying will be come from here. You can see the RR also. 1 is to 16 RR guys. The big player will be giving like this substrate. That's why only the risking the 15 pips here. That's the 15 pips and price was moved the 180 pips from this level. What you want for that the trading in the gold? That's the volatile market. It's continuously buying from this level. It's more pumping. I am told you. You can see this. The good buying also come from this area. It's more come on. This is the 13-minute selling area. It will be definitely come on this. I'm wait for this. I'm telling as I will be shipped on this zone and I will hold the trade. When reporting us, who can use this type of trade? You can told me. Please like to grow our community and you can engage in my please complete the 15 likes target guys for my respect. Beautiful buying will be come to our areas. Please complete the 15 target layer guys. Guys, you asked me any question about the any other shares, I definitely told about this trade will be good running and BTC trade. Let's see the BTC trade. It's also do for this on that's the silver. I'm not interested right now. It will be already done. You can see it. That's the good doing good things. And I will mark you, and that's your target level for the euro is still giving you. I definitely trade about this because that's already everything will be true and the good indications, but it's not closing out this area. So that's a rejection for its first term from here. And that's the second, it's going the good engulfing candle. The buying pressure will be shown this the below this the good buying level and this green box areas. So the potential to going this the 15 pips for the euro USD the forex players. Okay, our goal was move the daily more than the 1,000 pips, and that's the 100 pips. The 50 pips move the other forex players. Why you trade about the any other space, guys? You told me that's the two yesterday trade. That's the 250 pips, and second target level also is the 250 pips. How many pips will we earn today? Right now, and it will be trade on the level of 150 pips. Now more than 100 pips I want from this trade, and I will be already 80% book here on this the 120 pips zone. Okay, below this the 100 pips zone, and that's the risk free trade. Okay, so I will hold my trade, and there were no risks. That's the break even. There were break even trade. So there were no RR also trade, but I am going with the 15 pips risk trade. So that is also you can see that the 1 is to 16 trade, guys. That's the smaller R. That's the not small RR. This is the big RR, guys. You can see this how the trade will be on right now. What's the buying I will be captured. That's the institutional buy, and that's called the sniper entries. That's called sniper entries, guys. That's called sniper entries. Price will be continuously moving to upside. It's high low created. I think it's more potential to going the upside, and it will be down from here. Okay, because that's the out the seller, and it will be ready the every liquidity for the market, and it will be sell from these areas. That's my expectation to why selling because that's the pending good buying level. That's the 1 hour A plus buying level. Price will be definitely calm on this area, and it will be go from here. Okay. So I'll be trade like this. I'm waiting for this. First, you have patience. Initiate your patience first. Then you should be going for trade. And that's you can see that's the 30 pips SL I will get fast. I will accept the 30 pips SL and then I will be initiate with the 15 pips risk and it will be giving the 180 pips. I have worry about it. I am some tensed about this zone because that's the price was moved very fast on this area. So that's the reversal will be some risky, but that's the risk I give. I accept the risk, and the price will move the 180 pips from our area. Okay, and the target for the 250 pips. So let's see this. I will wait for the two. I will waiting for the 2:30 p.m. So just watch the market first. It will be hard to do. So let's find the GBP JPY trade. You don't trade anyone, don't told anyone. You can find the GBP JPY trade. So I'll also going for this. Okay. So that's the many days I will mark this trade level. You can go with this the level. Okay, that's the very important level for the GBP JPY. You can understand that. That's a very good level. That's also the psychological number here. That's the 13500, 5000. So it's the mark here. It will be sell from here. That's my expectation. That's the expectation for that time. Yes, definitely, Devil Hunter. I told the strategy about this. But you join us for community first. I'll told you definitely for the strategy. What the strategy I will be doing here, how PB market will be moved from our levels. I definitely told you. Why I am not told you guys? Definitely I told you. Complete the 15 likes, guys. Minimum 15 likes, you can like it. And you can full start. I can start the pool. You can vote here. What is your bias? Okay. That's the GU level. You can trade about this zone. And USD will be start. You can see the 4 hour buying level also called. That's a 4 hour A plus buying level will be go from here. The price will be reacting good on this zone, and that's the areas of the 4 hour selling. It's more than giving you up to the six. You can go with the 50 piece TP. That's a secure your target level, and you can easily get the 1:5. Okay, that's the trade. A trade I will mark you definitely trade about this. You can entries. That's the price will only move the six pips on the our entry zone. So that's the Euro USD trade, and that's the UJ. USD JPY. What will we do? It's breaking out this zone today. It's break out this zone today. Ah, that's the 200 pips range. I also see this. That's the 200 pips range also in the daily time frame. 4 hour, 1 hour. That's the good candle initiating. That's the break with the bullish candle, and that's the close in the 4 minutes, 4 seconds. That's the 2 second, 1 second. The close the 1 hour candle and the doji candle. So you will be trade with this level. That's because that's good candle will be open, and you will be 1 hour candle, so you will be easily 20 pips risks, and your RR will be very big for this trade. You can see this. That's the 100 pips you can trade easily giving you 1:6. That's the good level. You will be going the USD JPY UJ trade, and your bottom with I think about the A plus. Um, to go with this because that's a very good for you mark on your chart this level, okay? Because you have risks on this, the very big risks also here. That's the 25 pips risks, I think, on this level. Why you do this? You go with this can risks because that's the smaller risks about the level. Okay, and your target easily give you the markets. So that's why I'm told you. That's the trade will be planned also here. That's a shows that's the good clarification to the price going to upside. First the USD JPY and USD JPY is that yes. GBP JPY what is told about our levels, any kind of levels here, that's a very kind of bullish. It's very bullish. So your entry is made at that time, the GBP JPY. So I'll find the good 1 hour buying area first. Also, that's the 80 pips. This move already done, so that have a no level at this time. You can watch the market on this level, only this level. There have no level I'll find. Where the level only I will see it will be fall from here, so liquidation and it will go sharp move will be come from here. So that's the GBP JPY trade. I also not trade this of kind of pairs. What you told about me, so I definitely analyze the markets. Okay, so that's the done for that time. So let's take the our gold trade. What will be its to gold? Uh, 1 hour candle open. Why? What are you doing? Okay. So guys, you can set your break even to trailing your SL up to this candle lows, and you can already 80% book. You can hold your trade for the price was come to this area first, because that's the higher time frame. It will be shift the market structures to the bullish side, and you hold for that, and your target level is the 4600. You can understand that that's a psychological level. So you can go with the 200 pips target, so it is your target level, and that's a good I'm thinking about this level. So and it is your selling area, a plus selling area. You can see on the market, market will react the market will respect this the selling zone. So you definitely go in the selling area up to the your target will be go for the this area, guys. This is your buying area. That's a good target level. Also, you can show this. That's a 350 pip zone. Also, find out from this zone. So and you can see this today the market will the very fast for the selling side, and also the good the buying in buyings, but that's the liquidation for this the sellers. So market will come on this area and fresh sellers will be, and the institution selling entries will be initiating here, or either market will not respect the selling zone, so it will be goes out. So that will convert for our buying areas. Okay, guys. So that's the done. That's the time for that the London session, and I will be entry about the in about this zone. So trade. So let's What will be the price will do? Let's see this. And you, we are all know, you can watch my every stream. So you will be understand this type of market was created in the market will the pull up, and market will like the this investment type of candles was sprint. So market loss was heavily break out this zone, and it will be reacting like this. The heavily breakout will be come from here. So easily give the target the trade, so you can hold your trade for the 200 pips easily giving you. And already market will giving the 180 pips. That's for 20 pips. Market was not giving us the 1200 pips trade. But let's see you in the NYC session. You can see this. That's the beautiful breakout will become. And you can see this. That's the time was the also good for the this trade will be giving the TP. So I will already entry the more than first about the market will be move on. So I will become today the perfect time. So that's giving type of this type of trade 1:14 also trade. You can see this. That's the 1:14 RF trade, and price was trade now the 1:15 pips right now. So thank you for watching, guys. Please leave do the like, complete the like. Okay, complete the like first. So done for the day, guys. You can see this. That's the breakout was coming for this time. So that's the London session will be enough for that. I think that's giving the TP. Told me, guys. I am waiting or go for the TP. Just wait the for the TP, okay? Let's complete the target first. Understand, guys? That's that $100 tip challenge accounts. So I think you will understand. That's the trade. Everything. That's the $82 profit right now, and the gross loss is that, and the gross profit is that. So that's the trades. Everything will be here. That's the today loss profits. $74 profits on a day, and that's the two leg rates. I'm hold it. That's the TP with my trades, and long position is the 9, and just one short position, and the winning losses is the 1 is to 6 trades. Average winner the $36, and the $90 I lose, and the potential of profit is the $100, and the potential of loss is the $2.5. It's just showing the 1 to 5, and the win rate is the 5%, by 50%. That's the 5 winning trades, the 5 losing trade. So it will be the long term, it will be the convert the good winning rate, because I'm this week is the very uh, last week, the good for that. So that's the analysis, that's the trade, and I'm waiting for the this TP, nothing else. That's the everything will be work. There I have nothing to do anything at this moment. Just hold for the TP, and I'm waiting for you guys. Come on, gold. Just for the go. Give the TP. The more time I will be there, that's the trade is too long. And but this is the big direct trade, so that's why it's one more time. That's a move more than you can see. That's the trade in the 150 bip zone. So guys, so I'll let's set your break even on your trailing instead will shift on this the candle low, the 60 pips area, and you'll forget the trade. For it is TP is that the 250 pips, and that's the amount then I will stream today. So I think I'll go in time. So that's goodbye guys. I'll see you in the analysis session. That's a good big trade will be run. That's the 1 is to 16 trade, and you can go with the 1 is to 10. It's already done. It's already done, guys. So it's not a big deal. That's the one is trade already done. So I am going with the 250 pips levels with the 15 pips risk. There are no risks right now. It's the risk split rate, so I hold it for the 250 pips. So let's see you in the NIC session. And you kind of like this type of trades. You want learning the this type of levels. So definitely join us and subscribe our channel and like this video also and share with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. That's done for the day right now. The London session is the enough. Is that okay? The more time I will go, so that's why the enough for that time. Bye bye guys. See you in the NYC session.